Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're looking at the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo, specifically the EP3246/74 model, a renewed version it seems.
And going head-to-head is the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine KF6, model KES8556PL in porcelain white. Sounds like a premium coffee showdown.
Exactly. Let's dive in and see which one brews up the best experience. The Philips machine boasts that it can make 5 different coffees at your fingertips, including espresso, coffee, cappuccinos, and latte macchiatos. That LatteGo system is a big selling point.
The KitchenAid really expands your options with 15 recipe options, including espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino, and more. Plus, you can personalize and store your own recipes. Are you a creature of habit, or do you like variety?
True, but the Philips has the LatteGo system, which promises silky smooth milk froth using cyclonic frothing technology. More importantly, it's supposed to be super easy to clean, just 2 parts, no tubes, and cleanable in as little as 15 seconds. That's a huge plus for busy mornings.
KitchenAid uses a milk hose you place into a separate milk container. It has automatic milk frothing and heating, giving you the exact amount of milk needed with the push of a button. It is convenient but does require a separate container.
The Philips also claims you can make up to 5,000 cups before needing to descale, thanks to its AquaClean filter. That's a long time between descaling.
The KitchenAid doesn't specifically mention descaling frequency, but it does have automatic smart dosing technology for the grinder. It ensures you get the right grind volume and consistency for every drink selection, taking the guesswork out of it.
That's a good point. The Philips has adjustable ceramic grinders with 12 steps, so you can dial in your grind from ultra-fine to coarse.
The KitchenAid lets you personalize and store your own recipes based on strength, length, and temperature, getting that perfect cup tailored just for you every single time. It also has a removable bean hopper, which is handy for swapping beans.
One thing to consider is the size and availability. The Philips is a bit smaller, with dimensions of 17 by 10 by 15 inches, but it's currently unavailable.
The KitchenAid is a bit larger at 18.5 x 10.2 x 14.3 inches and weighs almost 40 pounds, but it boasts a durable metal-clad construction and a 2-year warranty. It's also available, though it usually ships within 1 to 2 months.
So it seems like the Philips prioritizes ease of use, quick cleaning, and a smaller footprint, while the KitchenAid emphasizes customization, durability, and a wider range of drink options.
Yeah, and the KitchenAid is significantly more expensive, currently around $1,000 compared to the Philips, which, when available, is likely less. It really comes down to your budget and what you're looking for in an espresso machine.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.